everyone, today we're making Haupia pie from Hawaii, United States of America. Enjoy the video. Alright, to make this Haupia pie, you'll need a graham cracker crust, semi-sweet, coconut milk, cornstarch, granulated sugar, and heavy whipping cream. You will be needing a half a cup of milk. You will need 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. You'll need 1 cup of milk in that saucepan. So combine this coconut milk with the milk in the saucepan. And you'll be needing pouring a cup of sugar in that saucepan with the coconut milk and the milk, whole milk. Now you'll be needing to whisk this often. Next, after you've boiled the coconut milk and that cornstarch infused milk together, first you're going to pour this chocolate thing into here, this pie crust.
Liberty Mutual is all she talks about since we
Like
stayed
that?
by bundling our home and auto insurance.
Hey kid, it's pronounced Liberty.
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 Liberty. Liberty. No, she's mocking me. Very mature.
Hey, that's the nephew too.
Here's your 1/4 cup of sugar. And you're going to pour it in that bowl.
Who's 9? Correct for 2000.
Also going to be needing a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. And you'll be needing to mix this in a mixing bowl until stiff peaks come up. Here's your Haupia pie all complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.